Hey guys, this is Sonia Rust Explorations here. We are doing a walkthrough of an abandoned meatpacking plant. I have the Dead Zone here with me and my husband and honey, Christopher Rust, as you can see. So we are just gonna do some walking. Oh, give you some light. There you go. You ready? Come in here. That way we have like full reach of everything. You got it?
I can do it by hand now.
Okay, look at that, guys. Wow. What is that? Hey, look, it's a, feels like a packing noodle. Oh, dude, check this out. It's like a pump or something. Wow, this must have been like the garage or something, huh? Oh, look, a jacket. Meatpacking jackets, guys.
Oh, they left behind. Or maybe it's a squatters.
Maybe, yeah, maybe it is squattered. I don't know. Let's check it out.
So this place is easy to get into.
That looks like bird dookie.
I don't doubt that squatters have been in here.
Yeah, look, they ransacked this thing right here. What is that? We're at a meatpacking plant. Oh, what is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, this is the Dead Zone. He's here with me today. Yay!
What's up, people? How's it
Yeah.
going?
Yay! Okay.
So this is obviously a machine.
Looks like a...
Don't know exactly
maybe?
what it was used for.
If anyone knows, let us know.
I'm gonna come back in the daytime with my camera.
Okay. Oh, look at that. That looks brand friggin' new right there. That looks like it...
Right here, it looks slightly used.
Holy crap, man.
Cover of plastic. And look, a bunch of rubber hoses here. And shells filled with stuff.
Wow, they left everything behind. What? These are fuses for like an electrical circuits and stuff. Oh, look, here's one of those things that you use to change the oil. Hey, there's a highlighter right there. That's cool, man. And look, all the paint, all the industrials. What happened?
Thorn in my shoe.
Oh no. Okay. No, no thorns. No thornies. Wow, somebody ransacked this place. They even left equipment behind. Look at that forklift.
All right, look, we'll go this way. Turn off your light because there's a camera right over here.
Okay. What's in here?
You'll see it from outside. Is it open?
Yeah. Holy crap, look at this.
This is what the office.
Yeah, oh, here, look at, there's a meatpacking thing right there. Paperwork.
And shoes used for like. Oh, they left the binders behind.
Yeah. All kinds of crap. Look at that, and there's a way out here too, so I'm just
No,
gonna...
wait, careful. Oh, file cabinets and shit. Yeah, off.
Oh.
And I have a ball when I come back here in the daytime. When I have my camera out there.
Yeah, this is a night pro. We're gonna have to freaking turn off our lights for a second, so
Yeah, so we don't be spotted.
bear with us. So this is night vision. I'm gonna use his light to see over here. Because my light's strong. Baby, when you come over here, turn your light off.
This is like the production area.
Huh?
Maybe like where they
Yeah. Yeah.
55 gallons of hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, geez.
let's see.
That's what they use to make fake meat.
35% FG hydrogen peroxide. 500 C.
So you mix... Oh, wait. What is that?
35 hydrogen peroxide.
Look at all these screws and nuts, man. Look at all these screws and nuts. Wow. Someone had a bolt party up in here.
Yep.
Okay.
But all these metal pieces in here, just surprised they didn't steal them.
Yeah.
Because usually copper thieves, they go for the copper first. But there's so much stuff in here to steal, I'm surprised.
Look at
Hasn't been
that.
cleaned out.
All the washers and bolts and everything.
Files. Well, we have one rule about urban exploration. You don't ruin something and you don't steal nothing.
I'm gonna go live on Instagram.
You're gonna what?
Go live on Instagram.
Okay, I'm gonna. Where do we gotta keep our lights off at?
When you get over here, keep your light shine that way.
Okay.
Now turn them off, because we're gonna go here.
Okay, we're still walking.
Oh shit, the light's off, going off. Stop.
The light's going off.
So look, stand right here, you'll see it. Fuck.
Is that bad?
Take to it. Well, you know what? They won't see us if it's dark. Tell your husband to turn the
Turn the
light
light
off.
off, baby.
Okay, let's go this way slowly.
Okay. Go when the light stops shining. And then.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, you go first. Well, you gotta turn everything off right now.
Run.
Okay. Sweetheart. Come on. See right there? The light's going on and off. Christopher. When the light goes on, I don't know where you're at. But this is cool, man. Look at all this.
And people at the dead zone here, and I'm here with
Holy
fellow
crap.
explorer from out of town.
Hey!
Her name is Sonia,
Sonia Rust.
and I'm here with her and her husband. We're
Yes.
checking out this abandoned factory.
Oh my
Gotta be very
gosh.
careful because we have cameras, security here.
Oh, this is cool. I need some like night vision on my thing. Wow, guys. This is like a night thing we're doing. So this is cool. This is like an abandoned meat factory. So you got your, this looks like a giant processor right here where it would just go in and come out right here and be shredded.
Oh, where the husband? Oh, there he is.
Huh? Come on.
We'll go out this way.
So look at this stuff in here. Kind of looks. Hold on. Look at that. Well, that's all cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is the work area for sure. Steel wool, huh? Look at this work area, tools and everything. Like all the equipment got left behind. Yeah, this is like, could you imagine people working here like every day? Like coming in, going to work, leaving, clocking in, clocking out. Freaking awesome. Hey, there's some earplugs. Oh Lord, sorry, I forgot to pray to Jesus. Lord, keep us safe while we're in here, please. Don't let nothing happen to us. And if we do, by chance, ever get caught, please just help us. In Jesus' name.
And the next, or let me know you're coming because I like to wear my boots.
Oh,
Yeah, because it's always better to wear boots when you're going in an industrial building.
nice, nice. I'll keep that in mind next time.
Oh yeah, when you go to that place you never known at Tucson.
Wear boots?
Yeah, wear boots or something, heavy. Don't wear just regular tennis shoes.
Okay. Is there like a lot of spaces there?
Yeah.
Okay, look at that drill.
What? Oh. I thought you scared. I thought it
Oh
was
no. Look
maybe like a security.
at that. There's a ball. A globy ball. Look at these drums, honey. I don't know if these drums. There's waste material in here. Look at that.
Barrels of toxic material. Oh, waste material.
There we go. It doesn't say what kind of waste material it is, but I'm betting you it's used ammonia or peroxide, especially when it comes with meat. Okay.
Got the camera for a minute? Oh, got the camera for a
I
minute?
can't. I'll have to splice it in half.
Oh, well then I'll tell you later. I was going to ask you for a favor, but yeah. We'll talk about it later when we get back to this.
Okay.
Get back to the car.
You like see that, honey? Look at that.
That's a press.
Yeah. I'm impressed.
Yeah, that's it.
It's impressionable. It left an impression on me. Oh, what's in here?
It's a big.
Oh, look, here's a weight.
Pretty cool, huh?
And then there's your drill.
There's a couple of them.
That's super industrial.
Outside, they actually tore down like part of the property, like the building outside.
Oh,
You
that's
can
cool.
see like the.
That's a.
Did y'all see like the bulldozers outside?
Yeah, no.
Right here, outside.
Okay. We're gonna kill our lights when we go out there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Why do they have a lathe?
A lathe. What's that?
A lathe.
What's
Meant
it?
for milling parts, making stuff.
Maybe because this is a factory now. Looks like somebody's been working in here for real.
Oh yeah, they built like because demolition workers.
Come here, honey.
Actually, I think they have stopped working because like the building has been like sitting like this for like a couple months already. They were demolishing the property, but I think they probably ran out of funding or something.
Yeah. Chris, hurry up. You got to we got to stay together, honey, because you got to turn off your lights in certain areas. I seen it. I know, I seen it, honey. I seen it.
That's where they keep the tools.
Mm-hmm.
Where they lock the hand tools.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is super, super duper awesome. I wonder if these things are cut off plastic, huh? Like everything right here. Oh, there's bird feathers everywhere right here. Oh, spider. Spider. I found a spider. Okay, are we ready?
I'm amazed this stuff's still here.
Yeah.
Somebody bring their truck in here and there's $5,000 or better right there.
More.
Yeah, drop it like. Okay. Wait, there's a camera there. Fuck. Oh wait, look, is that a solar panel or a camera over there?
This is solar power.
Oh, okay, so we're cool.
Yeah.
Rocket light. Hopefully the gate over here is still open. Cause last time I came here 2 weeks ago, when you came with Nicole, I was gonna take you in here to this gate. The gate was wide open. Just walked right in.
Oh man,
Hopefully it's still open.
look at that, guys. This is where the trucks would come.
Graffiti. I love graffiti.
Yeah.
Like, gives it, makes it look a little bit more interesting.
Yeah.
Ooh, the moon is full.
Huh?
The moon is full.
There we go. The moon's shedding a lot of light, or maybe that's San Antonio. I don't know, but we're getting some light on this camera for sure. I need some night vision though. Night vision.
So you head back home tonight, or you gonna stay here tonight,
We're gonna stay here tonight.
and then go back home tomorrow, pick up your kids?
No, I'm going back to Arizona tomorrow.
Wait, oh, your kids over there?
Uh-huh. Are we leaving now?
Yeah, I think we're done.
Okay. We have just explored a quick abandoned meat factory. We can't explore the other part because there's cameras there, so we're going to bounce out right now. But thank you so much for joining us tonight. Say hi to the Dead Zone. Hi to my honey. Okay. Bye, guys. I'll see you later.